So Paul's not here today. He's up at Java 1, so he asked me to step in. My name is Christian. Welcome to this month's Jug meeting. Today we're sponsored by Carnegie Medical System, so thank them for. So if you've been here, show of hands actually, if you're new at all. Yeah, so if you've been here before, it's a little different, at least from the ones I participated in. We're going to have two speakers today. First one, we'll have Llewellyn speaking on clutter and long methods. Is that the official topic?
That's the official topic.
Yeah, and then we'll switch over to Wolf, who's going to show us a little bit about the Amazon Echo and Alexa, which is the engine that kind of drives that. And of course, we'll have a short break. One thing that's often done is the donation bucket. It's kind of how things are paid for, especially in times where we can't get an actual sponsor. So if you have $1 or so, come get a ticket, put it in the bucket, and then at the end of the meeting, we'll have a raffle. So a 9 o'clock meeting ends and cleanup. So the mission is to strengthen the San Diego Java community by providing an environment where members can share knowledge, discuss and advance related technologies, and promote the use of Java. So we're here for Java. I'm assuming that a lot of people who have been here in the past probably have a Java 1 because of this mission, right? So what does it take to become a member? There's no actually official criteria. Go on to showing up is what it takes. And all management of the meeting, announcements and whatnot are done through Yahoo groups. So please sign up. You do that, obviously you can get future announcements for meetings and topics. So 1,324 registered members on the Yahoo group. And interestingly enough, you saw it started in 2001, still going strong. So at this time, a word from our sponsors, kind of go into the announcement. Anything that you want to say?
So I'm Andrea with Cognitive. I'm our internal technical recruiter, and we are a Java shop. So we just always like to be involved and well networked. We don't have any specific positions posted right now, but we do work heavily on a lot of government contracts. So we'll be winning a lot of different awards within the next couple months. And so we anticipate a lot of hiring, and they're all full-time W-2 permanent positions within our organization. But we do anticipate a lot of hiring between now and the end of the year. So I'm going to leave my cards. Add me on LinkedIn. Just keep an eye. Follow our job page. When we do hire, it's a lot, and it's going to move quickly. So if it's something that you're interested in, seeking opportunities, just remaining well networked and knowing to suggest for friends as well. We definitely like to network, have conversations, just anticipation of all that. So we're moving office spaces because we're outgrowing ours, and so just not what a lot of other companies have
Always a
going
good
through
sign.
right now. So it's a good need. It's a neat thing that we're growing so quickly. So more than happy to network with everyone here. Thank you.
Cool, thank you. So any other announcements or anybody want to announce any other job openings at a different company or looking for a job? Don't be shy. All right. Any other meetings that you might want to give notice to? Yeah. All right. So Paul mentioned that no other official announcements, but he has a speaker lineup for November, but is still looking for someone to speak next month in October. So if you have anything that you've been working on, maybe a pet project even, feel free, reach out to Paul, and like I said, through the Java users group, it might be something that other people are interested in. So don't be shy, come up and share. So as I mentioned, first I'll kind of run through both introductions, since I'm sure during us switching out, it's not going to be good to plug in and plug back in. So yeah, Llewellyn, Falco, as I mentioned, kind of maybe let you speak actually to your background rather than me just reading.
So I know some of your faces. I used to live in San Diego for a long time. I moved to Helsinki about 2 years ago. I'm an agile technical coach, which means I sit with the programmers and we work on the code. I work a lot in Java, though by far not my main language. very polyglot. I also speak quite a lot. I'm a Pluralsight author. I co-founded a thing called Teaching Kids Programming. I'm the creator of an open source testing tool called Approval Tests.
Cool.
That's me.
Excellent. And after Llewellyn, we'll have Wolf, Paula speak. And so, like I said, he'll be kind of focusing on the Amazon Echo. Wolf, anything you want to say about yourself? You can obviously say a little bit more when it's your time to speak, but.
I think I'm here probably once a year. Born and raised in Germany, came over to the US 20 years ago. I've worked for companies like HP and Motorola, and for the last 5 years I've worked mostly on conversational user interface prototypes, and this one is for the Alexa. We will go a little bit deeper. And why I'm here is because all the stuff is built in Java.